Today we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your light switch on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair.
Just go ahead and open the freezer door. Now on the insides is where you have your actual door switch. And what you'll want to do is use something to pry the door switch out of the liner. Be careful not to scratch your liner. If you need to put tape on each side, you can. Now, I'm going to pull it out, and right here we have clear access to our door switch. Now, what you want to do to test it is undo the wiring, go between these two terminals, and check for ohms or resistance to see if it is there and then goes away. With it open, it should be there. When you press it in, it should go away. If it is bad, go ahead and set it to the side. When installing your new door switch, first, let's reinstall the wiring. Next, we're going to want to make it so that the switch closes in. If it's like this and the door closes, it's just going to smash it. So we have to make sure that whatever way the door closes, it presses in. And this way, the wiring harness is going to be down. We'll get it in the correct position, snap it in place, make sure it's going to toggle, and this will complete your repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.